Hi friends, I am Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In this video, we will go through 6 practical examples to see how UiPath Clipboard AI can be used effectively. Our first use case will be copy data from Excel and paste to Excel. Copy data from Excel and paste to Windows application. Copy data from Excel and paste to RPA challenge website. Copy data from an image like an ID card, driver license, and paste into a waveform that's called driver license info waveform. Copy data from a PDF file like Invoice and paste into Excel. Extract data from Webpage as a table and paste into the Excel. So we'll be going through one by one each use case. Let's do it practically. First, we'll go through the UiPath Clipboard AI application user interface. Here you can see this is the application. Just double click on that to open. This is UiPath Clipboard AI. Okay, now once we'll open, you'll see on the top copy window and paste in form, right? This can be moved from here and there. You can see you just need to move as per your need. Now once we'll click outside, this will be collapsed. Now you just need to mouse over on this one. Here we are getting option to copy the data, basically copy window. This will be changed based on the interface, based on the application. This is used to paste that. Here we can see 3 options, that is called settings. Here you can see the option which is used to log in. So this is UiPath product, so you can log in into the UiPath automation cloud. Now click on settings. We'll go through this. Go to profile. So we have 6 options here: profile, general, shortcuts, extraction models, feedback, and help. If we click on profile, you can see here the user details. You can sign in here. You can log in to extend the users. You can see the license. So this is currently trial plan. Once you will download and install this one, you will get this trial plan and you will get the limit of 100 copy paste action. I have used 16 copy paste. So you can see 84 out of 100 copy paste action left. Once you click on sign in, you will get here unlimited. So let's sign in with the automation cloud. If you don't want to sign in, it's okay. You can use at the 100 copy paste action. Let me sign in here. Once you click here, it will go to that account.uipath.com, which will authorize your account. Sign in with your UiPath account. I already have this. I will select that. Click sign in. Let me close this. You will see here your current plan is unlimited, right? And here you will see the user details. Now we'll go to general. Right side we have preferences. We have 4 options. If you'll check this checkbox, launch on Windows Start, your application, this Clipboard AI application, will be launched on Windows Start. You will see on top. Second option, enable extract as a table. If you'll check this checkbox, it will allow you to extract the data from table and the table from web page also. Third, we have always show data mapper. If you'll check this checkbox, so while pasting the data, you will see the mapper, which will give you a chance to review and correct if any mistake. Fourth, keep toolbar open after copy. If you'll check this checkbox, so once you'll click on this copy window, this paste in form, this will be opened here. It will not collapse. It will open here so that you can click on paste, right? Now we'll go to shortcut. Here you can enter the shortcut key. Extraction model. So here you can add another model for the extraction. Here we have feedback. If you have any concern, any issue with this, you can give the feedback here. Here we have help. So we'll click on restart tutorial. It will help you to understand how this copy and paste works, how this clipboard AI works. Now let me close this, and on top now if you see here, this is showing in the green color. You have signed in with your UiPath account. Now we will go through one by one all the use cases. First we'll go with the Excel to Excel. We need to copy this data and then we need to paste based on the columns we needed. So here we have 7 columns, but we need to paste only in the 4 columns. So you will see here how this UiPath Clipboard AI is capable of copying, identifying and pasting only in the given columns. So go to this source where you need to copy, select your data, click on this, click on copy cell. So this data will be selected. The data will be copied as an Excel file. Now here we have option paste in Excel. Okay. Now go to sheet 2. Now we need to paste here. So click on paste in Excel. Now once we'll click on paste in Excel, it will open one mapper. Here you can modify. If you think that this is not working fine, then you can change that. So this says that first name, you can verify with this. This is the first name, it's captured correctly. Last name, this has been also captured correctly. Address and then email. So there are only 4 columns we can see here. Why? Because in the sheet 2 we need to paste only in the 4 columns, right? Now if you think that you don't want to paste in the D column, you can disable this and then this will not be pasted here, right? Let me enable this. Now if you want to see the data, you can click on view and you can see here first name, last name, company name, role in company, address, email, phone numbers. All this data that has been copied, you can see it here. After verifying, you need to click on paste data. Now you can see data has been successfully pasted here. You can verify this is email, this address, last name, first name. Now we'll go with the second use case, that is Excel to Window app. Now our requirement is to copy all this data from here and then we need to paste here. So we need to take casin, enter here, on US check, enter here, not on US check, paste here, and then we need to click on accept. So it will keep typing the data, all this data here. You just need to click accept. So verify, click accept, verify, click accept, like that. This is not going to automate this clicking on button also. This will just copy and paste here. Okay, now this is your source. You need to click here, copy cell. This is going to analyze. It must identify and then process, get this data. Now you need to go to this application, click on this. Now you can see paste in form. You can paste here, click on paste, or you can press Ctrl Alt V on the keyboard. So paste. Now you can see here, based on this destination, it's going to check all these columns here, all the fields. So we have deposit, withdrawal, split deposit. So this is coming from here, deposit, withdrawal, split deposit, all these fields. Now we don't want to enter these data, so you can disable this. Is already disabled. You can disable this. We need to enter casin. You can see 599,887. So all this data has been copied here, right? Now this is also correctly extracted, not on US check. Again here 1059, this has been extracted correctly. Now we need to disable these. Okay, this change window title is not needed. I can disable this. Okay, now you can click on paste data. So it will start pasting one by one. This is going to use my mouse. I need to click accept And then you can see first item has been pasted here. Now it's going to prepare the application for the next insert. So we have clicked on accept. Now click on paste. Now it's going to paste second item. Okay, 887, and now you can see how it's moving the mouse. Now we need to paste third, so we need to click on accept again, and then it's going to paste one by one. So this way we have 16 records. You can see here we can paste here one by one after clicking on accept. Okay, so let's close this. Here you can see we are getting this pop-up that happy with the result. If yes, you click on this like or dislike. Now we'll go with the third use case, Excel to web page. So we have this RPA challenge website data here. We need to take one by one all these records, and we need to paste based on the given field. You will also see how it's able to handle situation where this field's name, the position is getting changed every time when we click on submit. So you'll see here how this using AI, this is going to automate this part also. So let's go to this. Let's select this data, copy cell. Okay, copy it as Excel. Now go to this waveform, this RPA challenge. Now paste in form. Okay, now you can see here we have email, last name, address, first name, company name, role in company, phone number. Everything has been correctly captured. Now you can start pasting that. Click on paste data, and you will see here how correctly it is going to paste the data at the right place. So this is the email, last name, address, first name, company name, role in company, phone number, right? Now click on submit. So now you can see the position has been changed. Now the field position has been changed. Address is showing on the top, phone number next to that, email like that. So the second data now it will be pasted here. Email, last name, everything is correct. Paste here. Now just verify address. This is correct. It's able to identify the phone number as well, email ID, last name, role in company, first name, right, and made and company name. Now same way, if you need to paste third record, you need to click on submit, and you can see now the position has been changed again, and now this UiPath Clipboard AI is capable of identifying and pasting the data at the correct place to the correct element or correct field, you can say. Let's close this. So this way you can do it. This is also correct. Fourth use case is image to waveform. California driver license. We are going to extract the data from this ID, and then we'll be pasting it to this waveform driver license. Okay, we'll go to the top, click on copy window. Okay, copy it to clipboard AI. Now go to this waveform. Now we can click on paste in form. Once we click on that, the mapper will open before pasting here. Mapper will allow you to map the fields, which will allow you to map each field, verify and map. You can see here on the top, you can see we read this as a universal extracted, which is in the preview mode. If you want to change that, if you think that this has been not extracted correctly, you can change it. You can select invoice, passport, receipt, ID card, anything. If you want to select, you can choose from here. Now it's time to verify. Here you can see it's going to paste to the driver license information this web page, and then first name, let's verify this has been correctly extracted. Last name, it's okay. Address also correct. Date of birth, this one 7/27, this is correct. Now if you want to change that to the 7/27 this way, so let's verify this. So this is DDMMYYY, so this is correctly like extracted and converted to this DDMMYYY format. Now gender as a M, right? DL number, so it has taken DL also here, but we do not need this DL. But if you think that it's okay while pasting, after pasting I can remove that, you can go with this. You can see issue date, this one 27/7 is the expiry date, 29/7/2019, this is the issue date. You can see from here also. Okay, now if you think that this data is not correct, you can click on change, go to this select ID card, and now you can see here if it's capturing the data correctly or not. So based on the ID card extraction model, it has captured the first name, last name, address, date of birth, gender. DL number not captured here because this is coming here also and here also, so it's confused. So you have to now map that field. So select from extracted source field, click on that, and then you can select this ID number. This is the ID number, right? And one more thing, so let's say here we have address, and if you want to capture the state also, you can do it. So you click on that and you can see here it has captured the state also. So you just need to put here state and then select with this, so it will also capture the state, right? Let's remove this and select the address. Now click on paste, but before that just come to this and click on paste, and now you'll see here how intelligently it will type all these records here. So first name, last name, address, date of birth, gender. So it's going to click also. So not only pasting, it's also clicking on the radio button also, right? Now this is done, you can just click on submit. So it has successfully pasted this data. You can say happy with this. We'll go to the fifth use case, PDF to Excel, and this time PDF is our invoice. Now click on this copy window. It will identify and copy it to the clipboard AI. Now go to this Excel file, click on paste in Excel. So before that, mapper will be opened and you need to verify that. So let's verify here. So this is showing as a universal extractor, and it's asking us to select from the source field. So if you want to select, you can choose this way, like invoice, you can map here, or you can also go to this, click on change and click on specific document as a invoice, and now you will see here that it should extract the data correctly, right? You can see here now invoice number selected correctly, invoice date selected correctly, customer ID is not captured here, so you can map this here, customer ID as a 279, which is, let's see where is that, 279. So this is not captured here, the customer ID not captured, might be in the this extraction model of invoice, this customer ID is not added, so you need to change that to the universal extractor. Okay, now in this way we have to choose that. So invoice date as this one, customer ID is this one, terms is need 30 days, bill to is this name, which is this one. Bill to address is this one. Total amount, which is 172500, this amount, right? So this way we can map this, and we can go to this Excel file and click on paste data. And now you can see here it has pasted the data correctly in the related columns. This is good. Now let me show you one more thing. So let's say here we have only one page, so it has extracted the data. Now if we have multiple pages, let's say we have 100 pages of invoices. So to show you that example, I have merged basically four invoice into one. So now we need to extract the data from all the invoices. So they are each invoice showing on the each page. Now we'll go to this copy window. So it's going to copy the data from all the pages, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Now this has been copied. Now go to this Excel and click on paste in Excel. Now you will see here it will extract the data from all the pages. So there are 7 columns. We are not getting all this data here. So let me click on one page. Now you'll see here right side showing invoice number, date, and everything is showing here. Now click on this current page. Now click on range and select here 1 hyphen your pages. So we have 4 pages. So 1 hyphen 4. Now you'll see here all the data is captured here: 2170, 3031, 5536, 5536, right? So this is 2 times showing here, right? Same way 4 times, 4 times, right? So this has been extracted correctly. Now we need to click on paste data. Now this has been pasted successfully here. All this data has been pasted here. Now the last use case, that is Webpage to Excel. So we are going to use this table to extract as a table, and you will also see here that how it's able to go to the next pages. So it will able to extract the data from multiple pages also. So click on copy window. Once you click on copy window, so it will copy only these data, and then while pasting you need to go here and paste in Excel. And now you will see here it has extracted all these records. Click on paste data. So let's do it this for now. Okay, so you can see only 4 records have been extracted from here, right? So this is considering as a plus. Okay, so only 4 records. Now you need to capture all the records from all these pages. It means 4 here, so 8 and 4, 12. So we need all these 12 details, this information from this table. So it means we need to extract as a table. So as you saw here in the settings, we selected enable extract as a table. Okay, now it's time to use this extract as a table. Click on this, and then you can see there is a drop down here. Click on this. We have option extract as a table. If this is first time you are doing, then you need to indicate on that specific table. So you can see here by default it has taken here, but if this is first time you are doing, then you will see like this. Let me delete the previous one. Okay, so you will get like this: select data to extract. Okay, then you need to click on that, and then you need to indicate here. You can see hover over the data in the page, click to select. So you need to go to the specific table and click here. So I clicked on that. Now it's going to collect the table information. Now it has collected this all the details. It has this has first column, ID, due date, invoice, and invoice URL, which is like in the backend. You can see that's why it has captured here. If you don't need that, you can remove it. Now you can see four records here. Now we need to capture it from the second and third pages also. So you can see there is option extract data from multiple pages. So click on yes. So by default this is no. You need to click yes. Now you can see next button. So we need to indicate on the next button. So do not click on any pages like second page or third page like that. Click on next button so that every time it can click on next, next, next like that instead of clicking on 2 or 3. So click on next, indicate on this one. Now after that it will get the target selector and it has added here the selector. Now click on save. Now you'll see here it's going to extract by going to the each pages. So first, second, third, right? Copied as a table. Now go here and then click on paste in Excel. So we should have 12 records here. 12 IDs, 12 due date, 12 invoices, 12 invoice URL. If you don't need this invoice, you can disable that. If you need that, you can take it. So I want to disable this because there is no data there. We have URL. Now click on paste. Okay. Now you can see here we have the serial number, ID, due date, invoice URLs. Everything has been extracted correctly. So we have covered all the use cases here. I hope this video is very useful for you. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.